Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about financial ratio. My name is Ben Stefan Jericho, my NPM is 2441209 and I'm from accountancy class 2004 24A. What is financial ratio? Financial ratio are analytical tools used to evaluate a company's financial condition and performance by comparing figures within its financial statement, particularly the balance sheet and income statement. This ratio helps reveal meaningful relationship between financial data, providing more actionable insight than analyzing absolute numbers alone. Function and purpose of financial ratio. Financial ratio help evaluating current performance and projecting a company's future condition. The main purpose include evaluating company performance, benchmarking and industry comparison, financial, financial planning and strategy. Types of financial ratio. Financial ratio can be grouped into five main categories. First is liquidity ratio. This ratio measures a company's ability to meet short-term obligation. High liquidity means the firm is less likely to default. Explain. Current ratio is here. Current ratio slash current liabilities indicates short-term debt repayment capability. Quick ratio, asset test ratio. Current ratio minus investors slash current liabilities. Measures liquidity more conservatively by including inventories. Cash ratio sama dengan cash and cash equivalent slash current liability. Show a company's ability to pay debt solely with cash. A strong liquidity position means operational activities can run smoothly without cash flow pressure. Now, second is solvency ratio or leverage ratio. This ratio evaluates financial structure and long-term debt payment ability. K explain deep debt to asset ratio, or we say DAR, total debt slash total asset. Show how much of the asset are financed by debt. Debt to equity ratio there. Total debt slash equity indicates the company's reliance on external funding. Times interest earned or T. EBIT slash interest expense. Measure a company ability to meet interest obligation. Mixed solvency ratio indicate high financial risk and potential in difficulty sustaining long-term obligation. Activity ratio or efficiency ratio. This ratio assesses how efficiently a company uses in its asset to generate revenue. Higher efficiency reflects strong operational management. Example, total asset turnover, the TATSU, net sales slash total assets, show the productivity of total asset. Now, inventory turnover, cost of goods sold, or slash inventory, measure how quickly inventory is sold and replenished, and then receivable turnover, credit sales slash account receivable, evaluate how effectively the company collects in receivable. Low turnover suggests inefficient resource utilization or operational issue. Fourth is profitability ratio. This ratio measures a company's ability to generate profit from sales and assets. They are key indicators of corporate success and competitive. Example, net profit margin or NPM, net income slash net sales. Show profit earned per dollar of revenue. Return on asset or ROA, net income slash total asset, indicates how efficiently assets generate earnings. And then return on equity or ROE, net income slash equity, measures returns to shareholder. High profitability reflects strong financial performance and attractive investment prospect. Last one is market value ratio, used primarily for publicly listed companies. This ratio asset investor in proportion and firm value. Earn per share or EPS, net income slash number of shares outstanding represent earning attributable to its share. Price to earning ratio (PEA) ratio, market price per share slash EPS, show market expectation of future growth. High market value ratio typically indicates strong investor confidence. Interpreting financial ratio. First, comparing with industry benchmark. Second, analyzing historical trends. Third, comparing against direct competitors. Fourth, measuring against internal targets or budget. Interpretation must consider economic condition of and business environment to avoid misleading conclusion. Benefit of financial ratio for stakeholders. Stakeholders, managers, investor, creditor, government, and public society. The key benefit is strategic evaluation and performance improvement, asset risk and potential return on investment, evaluate credit worthiness and repayment ability, monitor industry health and regulatory complaints, assess the economic contribution of the firm. Advantage and limitation of financial ratio. Advantage. First is simple, practical, practical and widely used in business analysis. Highlight critical financial strengths and weakness, useful for tracking performance progress over time, enable competitive benchmarking across similar industries. Limitation depend on accuracy of financial statement, error or fraud can distort ratio analysis results, exclude qualitative factor, human capital, innovation, and brand reputation are not measured, can be manipulated, creative accounting or window dressing reduce reliability, difference in accounting policies, international comparison may lead to inconsistent interpretation. Therefore, rationalists should be complemented with other financial or non-financial information. Strategy, role of financial ratio in modern financial management. Financial ratio support companies in risk management through monitoring leverage and liquidity, start planning for investment, cash control, and market expansion, data-driven performance measurement for operational efficiency, enhancing corporate governance through transparent reporting, maintaining competitive in dynamic market environment. As organizations grow, effective ratio analysis becomes increasingly vital to ensure financial sustainability and business resiliency. Financial ratios are essential analytical tools in financial management that assess a company's condition and performance across liquidity, solvency, efficiency, profitability, and market valuation perspective. They help in identify strengths and weakness, support decision making, and with corporate strategy. Despite some limitation, ratio analysis remains one of the most widely used financial assessment methods and provides a strong foundation for evaluating a company's financial health. Understanding financial ratio equip financial management students with valuable skill needed for real-world business analysis and informed decision making. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.